In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Circle.so to efficiently run your coaching business. With the right setup, Circle.so can transform how you manage interactions, content distribution, and client engagement, creating a seamless experience both for you and your clients. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Circle.so, and you'll see options to sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is create your community. This is the foundation that allows you to build and grow your coaching business online. Select Create Your Community, and you'll be prompted to enter a name and description. This is your chance to create a compelling introduction that not only describes what your community is about, but also captures your unique value proposition. Once you've got that down, click Next to proceed. Next, you'll be looking at theme and appearance options. The visual appeal of your community matters, so choose a theme that resonates with your brand and feels inviting. After selecting and saving your preferred theme, it's time to set up spaces for your coaching programs. Creating a space is simple. You'll click on Spaces, then Create Space, and input a suitable name, such as Coaching Program, alongside a brief description. These spaces will serve as distinct areas where your clients can engage with different aspects of your coaching services. Beyond the main space, consider setting up additional spaces for Q&As, resource sharing, or announcements. This helps organize content and ensures clients know exactly where to find the information they need. Now let's focus on courses and modules. Under courses, create new courses by adding modules or lessons as necessary. These can comprise video, text, PDFs, or audio files, giving you flexibility in content delivery. Once your content is lined up, you might want to think about membership and payment access. Navigate to Settings, and then Membership Access to decide whether your community will be free or paid. If it's paid, you'll integrate Stripe or PayPal to manage transactions, which is handy for keeping everything streamlined. Don't forget about scheduling coaching calls and events. Events can be easily added through Spaces by selecting the Events or Livestream option. Enter essential details like the event title, date, and time, and you're good to go. To bring more interaction into your community, create forms or surveys for client feedback. You can do this by going to Spaces, crafting a new post, and selecting the form or survey option. Collecting client input is invaluable for improving your services. Finally, consider automating workflows for efficiency. Under Settings, you can establish automations that are triggered by specific actions, like welcoming new members. This will save you time and ensure consistent communication. With each step, make sure to engage with your clients by posting announcements and updates in relevant spaces. You can also utilize direct messages for more personalized one-on-one coaching. Tracking payments and managing memberships from the Payments section helps maintain clear records and analyze your business performance. For those who wish to extend their brand presence, setting up a custom domain is an optional but impactful step. Head to Settings, find Custom Domain, and input your desired domain to further professionalize your coaching platform. And there you have it, with Circle. So, running a coaching business not only becomes manageable, but truly engaging for both you and your clients. Thanks for joining in, and I'm excited to see how you leverage this platform for your amazing coaching endeavors.